This is exactly how I was able to fix my GCash app not working on my iPhone. So firstly, what I had to do is to close my GCash app, and instead I had to go to the settings app on my phone here, as you can see. And then I just scrolled down and I clicked on general, and then I clicked on storage right here. And then I just waited for all of the apps in here to load on my phone, and then I just swiped up. I clicked on search and I searched for GCash here, and I clicked on the GCash app. Then I clicked on offload app, and once again in here I clicked on offload app. Just wait a couple of seconds now for it to load, so we're just gonna wait a couple of seconds and then click on the reinstall app button right here. So now just simply wait for your GCash app to completely update to its latest version, and after that try again. This actually fixed it for me. And by the way, if it still is not working for you, it might be a worldwide problem, or basically a problem for GCash itself right now, that their servers aren't working as they should. So we will just need to actually wait for them to fix it. We are not able to do anything basically. But try this, and hopefully this can actually fix it for you like right away, because it did so for me.